Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new, and today I have an unboxing for you and I am so excited about this. I was very kindly gifted the latest in beauty box, which is the spring 2019 box, and I just really wanted to show you it because I love these boxes. Yes, I was gifted it, I was sent it kindly via the PR, but they're genuinely so good. Beauty boxes have been around for a really long time, certainly not a new thing. The reason I wanted to show you the latest in beauty box is because it is my favourite one that I have ever got to try. So I thought I would show you what is in the spring box and tell you a little bit about the box in general. So if you head over to Latest in Beauty's website, you can have a look at what you can get. You can create your own box or you can shop their collection, so you get a little bit of a surprise. It's a really great opportunity to try brands, to try products. I have had a box before which I just loved, and I've ended up buying so many of the products that I got to try in that box to use again, and it's just a really great way because I don't know about you, the beauty world is incredibly overwhelming. There are so many brands, there are so many products, and it can feel like, where do I start? If we're going to spend our hard-earned money on stuff, you want to know that it's something that you're probably going to like or hopefully going to like, and the latest in beauty box is just great because there'll be some well-loved brands in there that you probably already adore, and then there'll be some that you've probably never heard of before. There's just loads, and which is why I absolutely love these boxes. I think they are so fun. So without further ado, let me just show you what is in the spring box. Oh, it's heavy. This is what the box looks like. It's a big box. I love that. Really heavy, so you can tell it's full up, and yeah, really pretty box. I love that. So these are the spring 2019 beauty heroes from Latest in Beauty. So you can just take off this thing here and then you are left with the box. These boxes are really good to keep. I actually have my other one which is somewhere, but it's housing all my nail polishes. Perfect. It's a really good sturdy box. Shall we just open it and take a look inside? This is the first time I've opened it. On top you get some leaflets, you get some vouchers in here, and then you also get a little booklet with all the products in, telling you about the products. You open it up. Let's dive in, shall we? And I shall show you everything that is in here. So the first thing that is screaming out to me because of the colour, and it's nice and big, is this. So this is the, I want to say super duper, but it's spelled as sopa duper. So I'm assuming it's sopa duper. Sopa duper body butter, which is yuzu fruit and fig. Wow, I don't even know how to say that. I love this packaging. The tub reminds me of Soap and Glory. It's formulated without plastic microbeads, parabens, SLS/SLES, colorant and stuff like that, which is really good. And they also are proud to support water aid and clean the world. I love body butters. There is so much in there that is going to last you so long. It smells really nice. It reminds me of like going abroad and using like After Sun. I feel like After Sun always has the same smell. It's full size. That's amazing. And what's nice is that if you don't particularly like any of the products, or if you don't want to use them, they make lovely gifts. I always like keep stuff like this, that if I don't want to use it, and then you can put it in like a little goodie bag and give it as a gift. But sorry guys, I'm keeping this one. Oh, that is really nice. This is the Vita Liberata. I can never say that. I don't know why, but I can never say that. And it's a self-tanning gradual lotion. I'm a bit addicted to fake tan at the moment, but I am definitely one of those people. The easier the better. Fake tan takes a lot of effort. Do you know what I mean? So I love gradual tanning lotions because you can kind of stop when you're happy with the colour. It's not as if you have to kind of wait overnight, wash it off. You can kind of just stop when you're happy with the colour and kind of go about your day as normal. So this apparently takes 4 to 8 hours and can be maintained or deepened with regular use. And apparently it's conditioning and hydrating, which is really nice as well. Ooh. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I love gradual tan, love it. Next up we have got the Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner, which is paraben and alcohol free, which is really nice. Alcohol free hydrating mist toner helps soothe puffy and cool tired skin. It can be used after cleansing, before and after makeup application, or any time your skin is feeling tired, stressed or overheated. Keep in the refrigerator to instantly refresh skin on hot days. How dreamy does this sound for in summer? I'm going to spray a little bit. It said you can apply after makeup, so definitely smells of rose, which isn't my favourite smell, but that's really nice. That was instantly refreshing, which is really nice because it's quite warm in this flat. When I have all the windows closed and like the door shut to like block out noise, I'm like, It's a little bit warm. That's really nice. That sounds like an absolute dream in summer. Here we have got the Fade Out Advanced Plush Age Protection Even Skin Tone Day Cream with SPF 25. It also has hyaluronic acid to help fight the signs of aging, combined with our clinically proven brightening system to even skin tone, and apparently is effective in 4 weeks and formulated with active natural ingredients. It's not a brand I've heard of before. So this is how the packaging looks. Quite nice. Oh, it looks very thick. I'm not keen on the smell of that. I don't know what it does smell of. I'm definitely going to try that because I love a good day cream. I think they're always good to have because where you use them every day, you run out of them quite quickly. So I think it's always good to have some ready for when you run out. So I'm going to give that a try. What do I want to go for next? This, because I really am liking the colours of this product. Very pink and purple. So this is the Purple Tree Multi-Purpose Skincare, and it is the Pomegranate Miracle Balm. Oh, these are just some of my favourite products. GlossierBalm.com, any kind of balm, I love them. I put them in all my handbags, I take them everywhere with me because you can use them wherever. So like if your elbows get a bit dry, skin's feeling a bit meh, anything's just feeling a bit meh, it's always good to just have these on you because you never know when you're gonna need it or when someone else is gonna need it. I'm always like, balm? Anyone want a balm? Soothe, revive, moisturize, and it also hydrates for dry lips and skin, cosmetic finishes, and nails and cuticles. This is natural pomegranate oil to provide relief from dry lips and skin. It says it's good for hands, so shall we try it? Probably put a little bit too much on. It smells gorgeous, really nice. So that is just something that will be going straight into any of my handbags. I've got a molten brown bath and shower gel, and it is a suede orris. Is that how you say it? I'm not too sure. I really like these. Oh, that smells quite nice. I'm not very good at describing smells, you may have noticed, so I'm sorry if you're like watching this and like, what does things smell like? You're not saying. I'm sorry, I don't know. You don't need as much either. You might be thinking, oh, that's quite a small sample, but believe me, you don't need much of those. We have got here CYO Illuminating Mixing Cream. If I remember correctly, CYO is what replaced 17 in Boots? Or have I made that up? I'm pretty sure CYO is in Boots and it's fairly new. I'm probably telling you wrong information here, but I'm pretty sure it is. Illuminating Mixing Cream sounds really, really nice. It's a 6 AM pick-me-up. Reboot for weary looking skin, freshen that face. Prime. You can use it as a prime. You can mix it into moisturizer or foundation, or you can use on top. This sounds like something that I'm going to love. I'm just going to try it on the back of my hand. Ah, there we go. Okay, you don't need much of this. Definitely illuminating. I think it'd be quite a nice one to mix into your foundation because it's not too in your face. We have got a little new Paris. I can never say this. Is it Nux? Is it new? Don't know. So this is the Youth and Radiance Revealing Anti-Aging Care, which smooths, replumps and illuminates skin. Little sample size. I think that'd be quite nice for like taking on holiday or something when you don't want to take your full skincare range, obviously. These look fun. Look at that. Can you guys see that? It's got like little balls in it. This is the Nucus. Is that how you say it? I don't know. New York Salon Care Serum. Oh, it's hair serum. Okay, it's hair serum. So you press 2 to 5 pumps into your hair for shorter lengths or 4 to 8 pumps for longer hair. Love hair stuff. Really looking forward to trying that. See what it says in here about it. Harnessing the powers of concentrated elastin protein, this encapsulated serum formula reveals healthy looking hair throughout the day. Yeah, that is up my street. We have got a Dr. Organic Rose Otto Facial Serum. Oh my gosh, I love facial serums. I'm really into facial serums right now. Just so lovely for hydrating your skin. Not as keen on Rose, as I've already said, it's not one of my favourite scents. But again, if it works, apparently it's anti-aging, optimizes skin hydration, all of that fun stuff. Never tried anything from Dr. Organic before, but it's a brand that I have heard quite a lot about. Quite nice. It's like the Kiehl's bottle. Looking forward to trying that. I will let you know how I get on with that. We have got, this looks fun. This is Naughty. I don't know how they quite want me to pronounce that, but it's 97% natural, and this is an intensive care leave-in conditioner for frizzy and damaged hair with sweet almond and argan oil. Love a leave-in conditioner. You can tell my hair is bleached and I haven't had it cut in quite a while, so I am absolutely soaking up any kind of conditioning product I can get. So this sounds really nice. Smells quite nice and fresh. Quite like that packaging as well. That's quite fun. We have got here a little perfume sample by the look of it. 3 perfume samples. So for these are from Yardley London, and they're the Flowerful collection. 3 little mini eau de toilettes. Oh, I love these. Again, amazing to just put in your handbag, aren't they? Oh gosh, this just looks like something I cannot pronounce. This is the Oblifica Cyberica. I don't know, but it is a hand cream. Active organics, no parabens, nourishing. all of that. Love a good hand cream. I've got a lot of stuff going in my handbag by the looks of it from this box. But on to the last two things now, and one I'm really excited about. I'll show you that last. But this one is a Sport Fix or Sport FX Body Build Dry Shampoo in Fresh Vanilla Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Perfect for all hair types. Especially formulated for active lifestyles to refresh and volumize on the go. I love dry shampoo, but I always go for Baptiste because I just think it's the nicest one. It's so easy to get. I haven't seen this brand. Packaging doesn't jump out to me, just monochrome and grey. It's not the nicest packaging I've ever seen, but it's dry shampoo. I'll give it a try. I like the fact that it has got a scent. That's why I like the Baptiste ones, because I find that I can really smell their scents on my hair. And then the last thing, which I'm really excited to show you, is this little nail polish. This is from Nailberry, and this is just such a cute colour. I don't know if this works. I don't know if people actually did this and it worked, or if it's just a thing. It's like this nice pinky purpley Le Oxygen, but with fancy pronunciation, which I'm not going to attempt, but that is really nice. So cute. I love a nail polish. I really do. I'm always painting my nails, even though I have the world's ugliest nails. So such a super cute colour. Cute. Wow. And that's the box empty. I'm really happy with all the stuff that I got in that box. There was nothing there that I thought, no, I'm not going to use that, I'm not going to try that, I'm not going to end up liking that. I actually think that I will get use out of everything in there, which is really, really good. The box retails at £28, and I would be more than happy to pay that to get those kind of products. You can also see online what products go into the box. You can just go and buy boxes whenever you feel like it. The Spring 2019 Beauty Heroes have really impressed me from Latest in Beauty, and if you really like the look of that, then jump online at Latest in Beauty and have a look. Look at the collection boxes they've currently got. They have got some really nice ones. They do a lot of collaborations as well, so definitely jump on that. Or you can create your own box with recommendations that they think will be best for you. But have a look, because I love them. I love them a lot. It's a great brand. Just for full disclosure, again, I know I've already said it, but I was gifted the box, but all opinions on my own. I was gifted it with no obligation to share or talk about it, but because I knew that I had loved it, I really wanted to film this video for you, and I have not been disappointed. I hope you haven't been either, but I'm gonna leave it there. I've shown you everything in the box. Let me know if you want my opinions or views on everything once I've given it a proper try. I'll be more than happy to share, and I smell great now because I've got that balm on with that perfume. I smell lovely. I'm gonna go probably put that gradual tan on now and look spring ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye.